What's your first name? What's your first name?
My name is Julie. My name is Julie.
And what's your surname? And what's your surname?
My surname is Bill. My surname is Bill.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. Nice to meet you, too.
Where are you from, Julie? Where are you from, Julie?
I'm from Chicago. I'm from Chicago.
What's your nationality? What's your nationality?
I'm American. I'm American.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 16. I'm 16.
What is your job? What is your job?
I'm a student. I'm a student.
Where are you studying at? Where are you studying at?
I'm studying at Harvard University. I'm studying at Harvard University.
Do you have any friends at university? Do you have any friends at university?
Yes, I do. I have 3 good friends. Yes, I do. I have 3 good friends.
Do you live with your family? Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
How many members are there in your family? How many members are there in your family?
There are 4 members. There are 4 members.
Who are they? Who are they?
My father, mother, brother and me. My father, mother, brother and me.
Thank you very much for talking with me. Thank you very much for talking with me.
You're welcome. You're welcome.